Hi everyone and welcome to the EEG or the English Easy Gold Star channel. In this video, we will talk about the noun. Right up. So let's start. What is a noun? Okay, it is a part of speech that names a person, place, thing, idea, action, or quality. Alright? So it is that part of speech that names a person, a place, thing, idea, action, or quality. Alright? Remember in the previous video that we talked about the sentence, and it has two main parts, the subject and the predicate. Okay, and regarding the subject, we said that it is that or that one which is being talked about in the sentence, and it should answer the question what or whom. What is being talked about in the sentence, or whom is being talked about in the sentence. Okay, and when we ask what or whom is being talked about in the sentence, it could either be a person, a place, a thing, an idea, an action, or quality. Okay, so this, and that, the idea, the action, and the quality can all be the subjects in a sentence. Okay, all right, so in other words, a noun can be the subject in the sentence. Okay, so let's give examples of this person. Okay, it can be a boy, a girl, can be mother, father, uncle, grandmother, grandfather, neighbor, etc., etc. Right? Okay, how about the place? Let's give examples. Okay, can be the church, can be the park. Where else? Can be the mountains, the river. Okay, as long as it's a place. Okay, can also be the classroom, the room, the kitchen. Okay, all right, now how about thing? Let's give examples. Okay, can be a pen, notebook. What else? Paper, umbrella, jacket, sweater, shoes, clothes. Okay, as long as it's a thing. Okay, an idea can be friendship, okay, can also be communication, can also be curiosity, democracy, philosophy. Okay, so those are ideas. And the next one is action. Okay, action. Let's give examples of this action. Let's go over there. Okay, so action noun can be eating, driving, playing, biking, working, studying, writing, jumping, etc., etc. Okay, now let's go to quality. Let's give examples also. Okay, it can be honesty, okay, or can also be generosity, can also be kindness, okay, or the softness, okay. All right, now let's have a recap, okay. What is a noun? A noun is a part of speech that names a person, a place, a thing, an idea, an action, or quality. Okay, so this person, this place, this thing, this idea, this action, and this quality can all be subjects in the sentence. Okay, so giving examples for this person can be the boy, girl, the mother, the father, etc., etc. And for the place, it can be the church, the park, kitchen, the room, or somewhere else, okay? And for the thing, can be the pen, the notebook, the ball pen, the pencil, etc., etc. And for the idea, it can be friendship, communication, democracy, philosophy, and so on. Okay, now for the action, can be eating, driving, jumping, biking, okay, action, right? So they are like verbs with the ing, right? And for quality, it can be honesty, generosity, kindness, brittleness, and so on. Okay, so let's try using these nouns as subjects in the sentence. Okay, so let's try person first. Boy. Okay, the boy is playing. Okay, so boy in the sentence is the subject. Okay, let's go to place. Church. The church is where we go to pray. Okay, so the church is the subject in the sentence. Okay, now let's go to thing. Okay, pen or notebook, whatever. Okay, this pen is red. Okay, the subject is pen. All right, now let's go to the idea. Let's try friendship. Okay, friendship is vital. Okay, so it's just a simple sentence. Friendship in the sentence is the subject. All right, now let's go to the action noun. Eating keeps us energized. Okay, so eating in the sentence is the subject. All right, now let's go to quality. Let's try honesty. Okay, honesty is the best policy. Okay, so honesty in the sentence is the subject. All right. Now we can also say that a noun is a part of a sentence that names a person, place, thing, idea, action, or quality. Okay, since we are talking about the subject in the sentence, which is the noun, then noun is a part of the sentence. Okay, so we are done with the definition of a noun and its examples. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you keep learning with us. Please stick around, for in the next video will be the two groups of nouns. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye for now and see ya.